All right, today, guys, we'll be looking at how to gather information for our research topic, how to make sure that our sources are credible, and how to make those critical choices about which information sources to use. So if you look at the screen I have here, the Padlet, there's different things that I kind of want to direct your attention to. There's two of them that kind of can show you where to start at. One is titled, "Okay, but where do I start?" And the other one is right below it, "Where to begin with your research." From there, I would go into the videos that say determining when a source is reliable. So there's quite a few of those that are up there. And then move into, I've put up some sources on the Padlet about how to conduct your research. And from there, I would watch, there's two videos about how to do, well, there's one video about how to make a mind map, and there's one resource that offers free mind mapping program. And after you look at those, please look at our discussion question today, which is, how could you use a mind map outside of your research? In what other areas of your life could you use a mind map? When could it be beneficial? All right, it's really important that we learn to find those credible sources and that we learn to make those mind maps, not just for this assignment, but you'll use this skill for the rest of your life. With all the information that is coming out in today's world, it's important to know what can be trusted and what cannot be trusted when you're looking at information. All right, thank you so much.